Hi there. Today I'll just give you a quick rundown on how good the Eurofold or Foldmaster, because this is the red one which is Eurofold, but the cream coloured ones called Foldmasters, mostly sold by Duplo, exactly the same folding machine. It's a great high speed folder, single fold, double fold, so it do like Z fold, U folds and things. But like I say, I'm not going to say about the folding today. I just want to concentrate on the perforating, because you can also add a perforating attachment to them. So you can do really high speed perforating, you know, up to 30,000 sheets an hour, which is really good. And it's quite simple to fit, and it comes in a little kit if the camera comes round. Might have to split it and then do it. You get a little kit in a box like this, a couple of rollers, the perforating top and bottom wheels, little spring there that I'll show you when we come to fit it, and a stripper there. You can get blades, extra perforating blades. There's the 4mm blade that is 18 teeth, or there's the 1.5mm blade that is 40 teeth. To fit it, it's quite easy. Just take off the top cover. You have the top cover, remove the fold plate, and what you'll have, two fold plates, top and the bottom one. With the machine you get one of these deflector plates to do the single fold, so you cut off the second one. But if you can do perforating, you need to cut off both fold plates, so you may need to purchase, if you haven't already got it or you're buying a machine, you need an extra deflector plate so that we can cut off both folds. We're just going to be perforating, and I'll quickly show you. It's quite easy to get access. Some of the folders have an electric delivery tray like this one does. Some of them have the mechanical delivery trays. It's slightly easy if you remove the tray to get access, but you don't have to. What you got on the exit shafts, little collar on the side, and you can just slide it along to remove, simply remove the shafts like so. Top one here, in that little kit I was showing you the spring. So what we got is a spring that springs the perf blade onto the counter blade underneath, so it keeps a nice constant pressure on there, which is quite good. And so you get to option, this is the 1.5 blade on here that we'll use. So just to get it back in. So they're quite easy to remove, the shafts, and once you get it on, you just got to make sure you've got a bit of sprung loaded going against the counter blade underneath. So they are quite easy. What we can then do is put the tray back on, the fold plate, with the cut off. With the cut off already in there. Just drop that in. Just put that in there. And it's great for the tear off slip on an A4 letter or various other perforating things. You can add more if you want two perforating wheels on there. Sure, you can just add an extra 1, 2, 3, whatever you want on there to do double, treble perforating. I'll just run a few just to show you. Top load as well, just to keep the machine, turn the power off. Keep top loading so the machine can run constantly as well, so there's no stopping. So it is a really high speed, and the perforating, let's grab one out here just to show you. Very nice perf it does. You can just see there, it's pretty invisible till you actually turn it. So very good, very high speed. If you have any questions, or if you have a Eurofold or a Foldmaster and you want to add the perforating, you can buy the perforating kit off our website, or if you want replacement blades, you can buy them off our website. chilvers.co.uk, or if you've got any questions, you know, please do contact us.